The hidden downside to billing health insurance is the ninth biggest mistake made in your patient's personal injury claim. Now, clearly, not all health insurance policies cover chiropractic care or massage therapy or all the physical therapy a patient is going to need. And same thing with acupuncturists. One of the lesser known problems that can happen with billing health insurance companies for motor vehicle collisions is, especially with Moda and Providence, they have what is called future penalty clauses. What does that mean? If Moda or Providence pays for any medical treatment related to the motor vehicle collision, when Moda or Providence is paid back from the settlement for money they paid out for treatment, they will not pay for any future medical treatment that your patient's going to get regarding the body parts that were injured, like in the motor vehicle collision. So if your patient has a neck injury only, and they get PIP is exhausted, and then you go to health insurance, and health insurance, let's say, only pays 12 visits, then when your patient goes to settle their personal injury claim and Moda or Providence is paid back, they are not going to pay for any future medical treatment until they have proven that they have spent all the money that they got for medical care. This can cause giant problems, especially when PIP is exhausted and your patient is close to being done. You especially do not want to be billing their health insurance. Or you know that they may be having some bigger procedure down the line or around the same time that you've been treating them. That can cause serious problems. So there are other factors to consider when or before you bill health insurance. And if you have any questions about that, it'd be really good to talk to especially a personal injury attorney who understands these dynamics.